Okay, and today we're going to show you how to replace your heating element on your oven. This is a Hotpoint oven, and see, this is the heating element right here. And see what happened there? It broke. Actually, it burned, and there was smoke all over, and it's pretty old. So what you do is you order this heating element and then you replace the one that's the broken one. So to do that, you're gonna need a nut driver like what I have. There are two screws that needs to be removed, one here and the other one there. And so we're gonna do just that in order to replace this heating element. So we're gonna turn
and start unscrewing.
I'm trying to get out of the way of the camera so you'll see it. Well, better. See that? Oh. Put the screw here where you can find it again, and we get the next and remove it. And I could probably just use my hand. Alright, so we can kind of like pull. It has to go up like that, and then we pull it out slowly. There, see? There, you see where the connections are. We kind of like pull that out a little bit more. There. Okay. So what you want to do is just kind of like just clip this here so you don't lose the wire, because it has a tendency to slide back in there, and if it did, you're going to have a hard time getting it out. So look. So I take that off. See? You seeing it? Mm-hmm. All right. I don't want to lose my wire. At the same time, I'm trying to record. There. See? I'm going to leave that vice grip there to hold that in. See? Otherwise, that your connection will slide back in. So I'm just gonna pull this out. The other one, okay, now the other one needs to be disconnected too. Take this old one that's broken, toss that out. Put the new one. There. Alright, I got one in. Now we're going to put the other one in. There. They're both in. See? Make sure they're nice and tight. I can release this. Okay. So we kind of lift and just push that back in there. There, see? Get some of my tools out of the way. Get the screws in kind of hand tight for now. Yeah. One screw in and put the next screw in. and use my nut driver to tighten up. That's nice and tight. Do the same thing on the next one. Okay. Okay. All right. Just for your information, the model number on this Hotpoint range is here. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's just blurry. There we go. Yeah, I see it now.
Okay. Well, anyway, that's where I got the model number. Some of them ranges, there's like a sticker on the side, and that's where you get the model number. We'll make sure you get the right one by typing in your model number, so you get the exact same heating element for your specific range. Okay. So that's about it. Now, of course, we're going to remove this, and that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. And we're testing it, and there you go. The new heating element is working.